complacency, mediocrity, excuses, tolerations. Do you know how close you are to your dreams, but yet so far away? Let me ask you, do you feel stuck? Do you feel overwhelmed? Do you feel like you just don't know what to do? The best thing to do is get clear on who you are. I'm the No Excuses Coach. I'm Christopher Rausch. I'm just being me. I've been everybody else in my entire life, and I've been super successful on paper, but miserable inside. Did you show up here to be complacent, mediocre? Did you show up here to tolerate a bunch of bullshit in your life only to fucking regret it later? How much time are you going to waste? When are you going to have enough in your life when you're going to realize enough's a fucking enough? And now I'm going to move on with my life because my dreams are important. My dreams, I could be almost there. But yet I'm wasting this time hoping, wishing, and praying that some fucking day something changes. Nothing changes until you change. Share this, like this, comment this. Love you guys. No Excuses Coach.